Hello folks, Joe G here with Masshole e-bikes and drones. I hope you're having a great day. Today I have the DJI Mini 5 Pro, and seeing as I have a perfect day today in late February, nice and sunny out and temperatures in the 40s, I thought what I would do is I would attempt to create a Waypoint Hyperlapse video. I consider myself always a novice when it comes to using pretty much everything, including drones. So I thought what I would do is I'd share my experience with you, show you how I program it, and hopefully if you're a novice like me, this might inspire you to go out and try to do it yourself. I'm hoping to get a pretty cinematic hyperlapse, which is basically just a time-lapse video, except that the drone is actually moving. So anyways, you are looking at the screen right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and re-click on this button right here, and you can see currently the drone is set to just take photos. I'm going to go down to hyperlapse. Okay, now you can see that you have multiple options that you can do in hyperlapse. You could do freeform, you could do a circle hyperlapse, you could do a course lock, and then the very bottom one is the waypoints. Okay, what waypoints does is it allows you to set the path of the drone as it's doing its hyperlapse. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to make my first waypoint. Okay, then I'm going to move forward a little, trying to keep the road centered as much as possible, and I'm going to create another one. Okay, create another one. Now I could be doing different things here. I can be changing the angle so I can have this come up like this, and now do another one like so. Give you more of a wide field view. Okay. Okay, we're going to try to try to keep the road in the center. Do another one. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to angle the camera down, and for my last waypoint, I am going to focus on the rotary located in the center of the town, like so. Okay, so now I have my waypoint set. That is the path that the drone is going to take. Now I want to look at the parameters that I have set. Okay, right now it is set to take a picture every 2 seconds. And the length of the video is currently 7 seconds. I think I'm going to increase that to about 12 seconds. Sounds good. Okay, so I'm going to say okay. All right, now I'm going to hit the red button, and hopefully we will get our waypoint mission. So now you should see the drone go all the way back to the first waypoint and start its mission. Okay, so I will let you see that. Right now, it is showing that it's going to take 10 minutes and 1 second to complete this entire mission, this hyperlapse waypoint. I won't have you sit through the entire 10 minutes. What I'll do is I'll have you see the beginning of the waypoint mission, and then I will show you as it approaches the end. And then ultimately, I will hopefully have a nice hyperlapse mission that you will be able to see as the final product. So here we are now. We're returning to the first waypoint. If you look at the GPS map in the bottom left-hand corner, you see the drone is at the first waypoint, and now it has started its mission. Okay? All right, it's going to take 300 total pictures, and it's going to basically paste them together to create what I hope is a cinematic film of the cars moving through the traffic center. Okay, so I'm going to basically cut it here, and I'm going to come back when we are close to the end. And then again, I plan to show you the final product, and I'm hoping you'll tell me what you think. Okay, so we're back now. You can see we're at 280 of 300 snapshots. We have completed 11 seconds of the full 12-second hyperlapse video that we'll be creating. So we are coming up to the end of this mission, okay? What will happen as soon as it's done is that the programming will basically stitch together these 300 separate images, and we should get a pretty cool looking 12-second video out of it. So we are just about at 300 now. Okay, so it is creating the video, as you can see. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to have the drone come home. Okay, so I'll let you see that. I'm going to hit return to home, try that again. Okay, and I always like to show the return to home. I like to show the dynamic return to home path it takes. It doesn't just take a straight path. It generally follows the path that it followed to get out to wherever it was going. And in this case, you can see with that sort of a green indicator the path that it's taking. We'll see how close it comes to landing where I took off from. Unfortunately, I did not bring my landing pad with me, but I do have it landing next to my truck on some nice dry pavement. And you'll just have to take my word for it, how close it comes to landing where it took off from. So it should drop its camera soon so that you can see. You should see that it lands next to my truck. My truck should be on the side of it. Okay, there it is. And it is coming down almost exactly where I took off from. Yep, looks like it's just about perfect. Probably helps that the weather's so nice today. We have no wind whatsoever, nice and warm, nice and calm. Okay, so there you go. That was the Waypoint Hyperlapse mission. Okay, I will show you the finished product at the end. Do me a favor, tell me what you think about it. And also, if you enjoy this video, if you could give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel, I'd really appreciate it. That's all I got for you today. Hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have a great day. Take care.